Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those Upwork desktop notification messages. So how to do that? Simple, click your account on the upper right hand side on your Upwork profile and click on account settings. And once you're under this section, you want to go down to where it says notification settings and you will be able to find your desktop notifications here. So by default, it's going to show all activity to show notifications. You can click the drop down and you can just simply set this to nothing, right? So go ahead and just ensure that you change it so you have your desktop notifications here. It says increment message counter. You can go ahead and check what is there if you want to say all activity or important only, but the most important thing to not receive those is to switch this to nothing and you will be able to have that. There's also the email updates tab as well, so you can have a look. And one of the good things that you can actually do, guys, is to go through each and just basically say what you want, what you don't want, uncheck the ones you want, what you don't want, and just kind of customize the message notification to your own benefits and your own field. But that's pretty much it.